We've also added the functionality of automatically putting in road markings according to passing sight distance. Let's take a closer look at that function. If you go to road markings, automated from passing sight distance, and you go and click on sight distance check, it uses whatever you've gone and specified in your design criteria. I'm going to go there first, so I go to my roads mode, go to alignment design criteria. I'm going to specify to use the design criteria. Now just be careful, I see this is for road 4, so I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to go and select the correct road beforehand. Going back to alignment design criteria, looking at road 1, which is correct, using the design criteria. For presentation purposes, I'm going to go and select a slower speed of 60 kilometers per hour. Looking at the bottom, the sight distance setting, I'm going to go and select passing sight distance. You do have the option to go and alter the TRH17 spec and then go and save it as a different spec. Looking at the sight distance as well, you have the option to go and update this with your own custom settings. Click on OK. If I were to go back to the signage module, go back to road markings, automated from passing sight distance. If we take a look at the marking name, these are the different road markings available to us. If you're not sure what they represent, I've gone and created another drawing here for your reference. Reverting back to the function, I'm going to go down to sight distance check. The sight distance type is now passing, and the values that we picked up from the design criteria are now specified. If you'd like more information with regards to this sight distance check functionality, please visit our website's FAQ page. To point out the settings that we're going to use for this function, I've gone and specified an ascending change direction, color 7. I'm using the hidden line type for profile. I'm opting Civil Designer to create a CAD layer called sight distance, where this passing sight distance would be applicable. Click on OK. I do have the option to select the screen output. In that case, all the ascending and descending chainage values will be listed in my output bar. It's not necessary in this case. There is an independent list on its own, so I'm going to turn that off and click on OK. Having gone through the number crunching, I'm then going to close this dialog. This is where the sight distance results is recorded. Having reviewed the results, you can go to your site envelope. There's an option of profile failed for ascending, descending, ascending and descending, as well as profile passed, ascending and descending. In this example, I'm just going to go and select ascending option. As mentioned before, you have the different marking types or marking names to go and choose from. As you go and select the different options, if the dimensions are fixed, these cells will be grayed out. You can go and customize the marking width, the offset, and the target. So in this case, the offset from the center line is 0. All of this information can be written to a CSV file and then used at a later stage using the Read CSV option. Click on OK, and then zoom in to view the results. The cyan and blue color is the sight distance layer. I'm then going to turn off those additional lines and then just focus in on the road marking. This was automatically done using the new function in version 9. Just to zoom into a particular spot, over here we've got a case where you as a designer can decide whether you want to keep it as it is or you want to make that all one solid line. If you do want to make it all one solid line, you can go and select this, go to the properties, and then increase the start and the end chainage. And extending the end chainage of that selected line. Remember that with the signage modules, Civil Designer gives you the option to calculate your road signs and road marking quantities.